before you make money for yourself, you have to make money for someone else. And actually that became a mantra because you cannot, make money if you're not adding. You have to add value to someone, they will add value to you. So if you have this mindset, people will be always trying to add value to other people.
Right.
So why is that? When I decide to run or to raise the first fund, I have just added immense value to some people. I invested maybe 3 to 5 mil USD in a company, and then this check size became 10 times as much.
Mm,
2 years later, so we entry and we exited in 2 years, and we made 10 times. So
right.
the IRR was tremendous. The entrepreneurs, they made lots of money, almost 80 million USD. Some guys who invested before me, they made like 20 times as much. So it was amazing deal.
Mhm.
Okay, amazing. So they love it. So that's one of the things. And then I came back to them one day, say, hey, you know what? You guys are liquid. I know you guys have to do this and that for your portfolio. But what if you set aside some money here and try start doing our thing?
When you said they were or were not liquid,
They were liquid. They
right? They
were.
were.
They had just made an IPO in Nasdaq, so they had some.
Okay.
But well, actually, they sold the company who IPO'd, so they were liquid, very liquid.
Right.
So
Okay. Right. Just meaning their money. If you were illiquid, right, you probably have a ton of money that
stocks,
you've made, but it's tied up in equity versus being liquid, where you've actually made the
real
exit,
estate, stuff like
received
that.
the cash inflow. Okay, so now you've got some founders that you invested in. You yourself invested 3 to 5 million, got a 10x return on that great IRR, as you mentioned. And now these founders are saying, hey, look, you took a bet on us, paid off. You came back to them as you were going to launch your VC firm.
Yeah, and they became the anchor investors of this fund. So they put up like a million or two. I don't recall. Maybe it's actually 1.5. And then we started raising the remainder. So we did that. We were raising as we went. So we did 15 deals in around 2 years, roughly 2 years. And then we raised this 2 million roughly in 18 months or 12 months or something like that. So we put everybody together, made all the deals, and that's now we are just monitoring the portfolio and doing some follow-ons with the remainder that we have in cash. So that's the idea. And as I said, the fund is doing great.